Welcome back to our channel, Phones Features. Today, we have some exciting news for all the Apple enthusiasts out there. Apple has just unveiled its newest flagship smartphones, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. And they come packed with some groundbreaking features that are sure to blow your mind. From larger displays to powerful performance upgrades, these phones are set to redefine what you expect from an iPhone. Let's dive into what makes the iPhone 16 Pro lineup truly stand out. Starting with the display, Apple has stepped up the game once again. The iPhone 16 Pro now comes with a 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts an even larger 6.9-inch display. This is a noticeable upgrade from the iPhone 15 Pro models, giving you more screen real estate for all your favorite apps, videos, and games. But that's just the beginning. Under the hood, both models are powered by Apple's new A18 Pro Chip. With a 16-core neural engine, this chip offers a staggering 17% faster memory bandwidth, a 20% faster 6-core GPU, and a 15% faster 6-core CPU. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, the A18 Pro ensures an ultra-smooth experience with exceptional power and efficiency. Of course, the camera system has also received a major overhaul. The iPhone 16 Pro lineup features a 48-megapixel fusion camera module with optical image stabilization, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera that now includes a 5x zoom and Apple's innovative tetr prism. And here's the best part: the telephoto camera, which was previously exclusive to the Pro Max model, is now available on the regular iPhone 16 Pro. You'll also find a brand new camera control button that allows you to tweak settings like aperture and zoom with ease. But that's not all. Apple is rolling out a 2-stage shutter feature later this year, along with new photo styles that let you adjust the look of your photos even after you've taken them. Video enthusiasts will love that the iPhone 16 Pro can record 4K video at a stunning 120 frames per second. Plus, with the ability to adjust playback speed in the Photos app, you can create slow motion or high-speed effects with ease. The audio has been significantly upgraded as well, featuring 4 studio-quality microphones and spatial audio capture, which is perfect for those looking to take their video recording to the next level. When it comes to design, Apple has introduced a sleek new titanium case that comes in 4 beautiful colors: black, white, natural, and the stunning new desert titanium. Not only does the titanium frame look and feel premium, but it also offers enhanced durability. And for those of you who need your phone to last all day, you'll be happy to know that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the best battery life ever in an iPhone. As for pricing, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for the 128GB model, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max, with 256 GB of storage, starts at $1,199. These amazing devices will be available starting on September 20th, so mark your calendars. If you're as excited as we are about the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Phones Features. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.